Hello, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Kingston HyperX Beast 16GB RAM. Let's have a look inside this packet. So here we go. Let's have a look. Do be careful when opening this because there are sensitive bits of equipment in here. So let's have a look at one of these sticks of RAM. If I can get it out by being safe. And there you go. Look at that. Now this comes with aluminium fins, you can see through there. The actual RAM is coloured black instead of normally being green underneath the, it's like a heatsink. And that is the HyperX Beast. Right, now also inside here is a little sticker that you can stick on your PC to let everyone know that you are being powered by the HyperX Beast. Brilliant. Also inside is this manual, the HyperX FB DIM, showing you how to install it, best way to install it, what to do, what not to do. Don't break your stuff, okay? That's about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to check out more videos.